All right, all right, all right. Well, here we are again. Again, here we are. All right. Everything is checked. Everything is working. Hello there, Dominic. Nice to see you there. Applause because you're the first. But everybody's the first. Guys, if you're here, just push the like button. There's going to be an awesome session. Basically, we're just gonna, just watching paint dry. I don't expect anything. To be honest, I was also wondering if I should come and stream, but I couldn't hold myself back to get the chance to talk with you guys. Here we are. The market keeps going and going. Well, not sure what to do. Well, honestly, guys, I went into a long position after the stream, and my profit got burned. So I was up like $40, so not a big deal with the morning trade, and now I'm back to square one. So this account was up. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can. So $590, and now the account. How can I do this? And now the account is up $1 and maybe 60 cents or something like that. So I'm in profit with $1 today. I had a trade and I wiped out my profits from this morning. Anyway, it is what it is. You know how it is, guys. Let's go. Let's go and drop those likes, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out my links there. It's funny because I heard that Dalla Dalla. I heard that, actually I'm not gonna, should I tell it right now? I don't know. Oh yeah, I told this you guys already. TopStop is forcing me to make a new account, which I'm not sure I want to do. So I don't want to trade on a personal funded account anymore, but it's more to it actually. So I'm pretty much focusing now on my funded futures and Apex. What the heck? Let's see. Okay. Look at that. It's going to take out the low of this order block. So there's an order block right there. And look at that. It's actually going to get taken out soon. There you go. This bullish order block is going to get disrespected totally. 15-minute bullish order block, that is, right here. Up close candles with market structure shift. The order block, you can see it right there. There's the order block, and it got disrespected. So we're going down for now. ES, I'm 100% sure that it's gonna go below 06.50. Previous day low is below 4,800. If it breaks 4,800, it can bring some interesting scenarios to the table. Telling you guys, what the hell is this brainwashing music? I need to search for some copyright-free jazz. I like jazz. Just chill out. Okay. Yeah. So as long as 4,800 is going to hold ES, we can see some break. It got doctor disrespected. I like that dude. Anyway, I like that. And if you're feeling sensitive about Doctor Disrespect or how cocky he is, just it's his character. It's not the guy who plays it. But I do like the character, Doctor Disrespect. I think he should be having some kind of a superhero movie or some kind of a some kind of a movie like that, like a Marvel movie, or I don't know. Or he should be put in some Hollywood project because I think it's a notable character. I do like it. I used to game as well on Twitch. I was streaming CS:GO and PUBG, and then I was role playing GTA. So these three were the main ones. But I do like to check Doctor Disrespect for by time to time. So I think he's a correct character. Yes, absolutely, absolutely. And actually, I have a Doctor Disrespect shirt, T-shirt. Sorry, actually two Doctor Disrespect T-shirts. So you can call me a geek. Oh yeah, Counter-Strike. Yeah, I was playing that. Back in my days when I was in high school, there was the first Counter-Strike 1.6 or Source. I don't even know. When Half-Life came out. And we started Counter-Strike back in the days, so that I'm actually not a good player. I'm a terrible player in Counter-Strike. So when I play with a few of my friends online, I just technically mess around. So I'm the guy from the team who goes first to die. Just to let you guys know, I'm absolutely I aim very bad. I'm slow in these kind of games, but I do like the fun. I also like PUBG, but that got me health issues. Actually, PUBG got me some health issues. I also have this PUBG figurine behind my back. I think you guys already know it by now. You guys could see it. I have this PUBG figurine, so it gave me away. It's always behind me on the streams, because one of my favorite games in the world is PUBG, despite the fact that it's a shitlord game. I know that. Let's just hope it's not gonna fall down. So so let's see. And I'm terrible also in PUBG, but again, when a few friends of mine were coming together, we were like absolutely fooling around. So I'm steering the trading ship towards My Funded Futures and Apex trading in the future. I'm not sure I want to do more challenge accounts in the near future at Topstep. I had a slight issue, let's just call it that, and I'm forced to start over. Good morning. Hey there, everyone. Everyone deserves an applause again. Nice. Good morning, Air Trader. And guess what? I'm the one who found a way towards the sun. Really? Really? Come on, man. I'm the one who found a way towards a soundtrack, bro. You could hear footsteps across whole map, 400% level. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god. We have a gamer here. So, as I mentioned, I'm steering my trading career with prop firms more likely to Apex and My Funded Futures. Topstep is also a great company. They are super awesome. I have an ongoing issue, so I'm not going to do challenge with them for the time being. But I'm happy to do so with My Funded Futures. But I'm still funded with I do have my funded with Topstep, but I'm gonna let you guys into the details a little bit later when the dust settles. But I was having many emails with a certain issue. Okay. Okay. So I think we're gonna have limited market open, right? Something like that. Something like that. Anyway, let's go over what happened. You know, as at the morning we had this short from this 5-minute order block. Then since we were talking so much about this order block 3-pin entry, I told you guys that, and actually I didn't listen to my own words, because I told you guys you should be careful going long until we're not breaking the law of this order block. So price came down. On micro, it did not broke the law of this candle. On mini, it broke down with one tick. So then it started to go up. Let me see, and it was outside of the kill zone. But anyway, 635. 635. So if you guys wanted to take a nice 3-pin entry, it was like this. There were 2 chances to do so, actually. Actually, no chances there. No chances there. Yeah, here we go. I did not take it because I'm an idiot. This was a 3-pin entry. Right here. Here. Risk reward 2. There you go. I did not take it because I was a chicken. But this entry, if you check out my latest video, it perfectly aligns with the bullish order block 3-pin entry. Alright? So I did not take it. And we have another entry, by the way, because we're still inside of the order block. We don't have a down close candle. If you see on the 15-minute and on the 5-minute, we don't have a down close candle outside of the fair value gap. Come on, man. Outside of the order block. So that means that we had the 3-pin entry like here. So the entry for this structure to the upside should be around this point. And your 1 to 2 risk reward should be up there somewhere. So this is the second entry that it has generated. So this is also a way for you to enter the markets on these order blocks. And as you can see, if you just go with 1 to 2, so nothing fancy, not 1 to 10, 1 to 30, 1 to whatever, you know. We don't want to aim for the, you know, that high. But if you just go with 1 to 2, you should be still fine. Now, I did not enter this because I don't know why. Oh yeah, because anyway, I missed this one. I missed this one. Now there's another entry. Let's talk about losses too. All right. Actually, there's no. Once this took off and was profitable, these other ones, no matter if they come down back to the order block, these should be lower probability setups until we're not poking into newer levels down there, like here. Until it's not poking down and taking some more liquidity. Taking long around here should be more riskier. But this time, sorry, in this case, we went lower. We did not close below the order block. Stayed inside, had the 3-pin entry. We could take a long and then go up. So I wouldn't be surprised if we would hit the 960 level, which is only 5 points away. And this is the way you can filter out lower probability entries on the 3-pin entry with the order blocks, with the ICT order blocks, of course. So I do love this setup. You can use it together with the fair value gaps as we did in the morning. I told you, again, I'm going to repeat myself. Ukando is here. Welcome, Ukando. How are you doing? Ukando is one of our oldest regulars, so welcome, welcome. So let's see. So as I told you, these were also sort of good entries. Very nice. Good to hear that, Ukando. Very nice. Didn't trade London for a bit. Yeah, I mean, you know, as long as you were sitting on your hands, that was also a good trade by not taking a trade. So let's look at this. When we entered the order block on the London kill zone at 4 a.m. Let's check that. 4 a.m. was right here. Aggressive approach, but let's see. First pin, second pin, third pin. Entry is here. I think this was the loss. Yeah, this I took this loss. It was a loss here. I think because I left my my stop loss a little bit wider and I wanted this to go up there, so I took this loss after stream. Almost reached my target. I was so sure that we're gonna go to 86 and it just went down. And right before the stream started, not too long ago, I just left the computer and you know, let it do its job, and it just took me out. So maybe if I would have had a tighter stop, like like down there, the risk reward, well, it wasn't that good anyway. So I have to take a very brief phone call. Sorry guys, just a phone call. So this would be a second kind of entry. But as I said, if it would close down, well, below this order block range, I wouldn't like to take another chance on this one. So for example, if this 15-minute candle would go below 946, then it would be a problem. And guys, by the way, go grab your discount challenge accounts, sorry, evaluation accounts from Apex and My Funded Futures. If you use my link and code, you get 150% discount. 50% for your account once. And for the rest of it, you get 24%. So don't leave that 50% on My Funded Futures. Just go down there, use my link, or go to My Funded Futures, type in Tom Sabo. If you use the starter package, it's 50%, but only once. And if you want to save some money, then still you can type in my code. That's 25% off, but then there's no activation fee. So I think there is good in both of those, you know, packages, but you can save up quite a bit, especially if you're a new customer at My Funded Futures. I'm definitely going to promote them because I so far like the site, the platform. Everything is smooth, so let's hope. NQ entry 16,951 and targeting 16,964. 951. You entered pre-market. Just Ain't Right has balls, everyone. He has balls. Very good. Very good. Well, targeting, Zoltan is here again. You guys deserve an applause again. All right. Servus. Okay, let's see. So if I go down to the 5 minute, sorry, not the 5 minute, the 1 minute, this entry is still valid with this order block that I showed in the last video. So I lost this one after stream. I missed this one because I don't know, I'm an idiot or something, I don't know. No, I'm not an idiot actually, but I missed this one and I was scared to jump into this one. It can also turn down even more. It all depends if ES is going to hold the 4800 or not. But still, it's nice to see how price is reacting to those levels. You know, guys, day after day and tomorrow, so might as well. Nice. Very nice. So, guys, this is how we're doing right now, and that's it. Are the markets gonna open on the regular time? I guess they are, right? I'm sorry, it's a noob question. I know it's Martin Luther King Day, Dr. King Day in the US, and it's gonna be limited opening hours. Please help me out, correct me if I'm wrong. It's gonna be limited opening hours, but the opening bell starts on regular 9:30, right? But it's gonna close at 1 p.m. if I'm right. I think I'm right. The open is regular 9:30 and it closes at 1 p.m. That's how I'm aware of the things. Let me know. I think that's it. Yeah. So again, there is one chance and a one-time 50% discount at My Funded Futures. Don't leave it on the table. Even if you start with a starter package, you can start with $50 for a 50K account to see how you're doing. So don't leave it there. $50 for a 50K account is absolutely a good price. I know others giving the same price. You can have one with the Apex code as well. End of day trailing also gives you a little bit of an advantage with My Funded Futures, but Apex is just as good. So and again, I don't know if there's going to be another sale in the near future, so don't leave that 50% on there. Okay. So, there's gonna be a market open, right? There should be. And please drop the likes. Subscribe to the channel. Check out my latest video if you haven't already or you're new to the channel. It's not the best video, and I apologize that I sometimes mix up the word order block and fair value gap, or bullish or bearish, but you will figure it out. I wanted to present you one of the best type of entry models if you're using ICT order blocks. I learned it from a super pro. Google said it's closed, right? So that's why I'm confused, actually, because I'm confused. I know Martin Luther King Day, but I was reading somewhere that there is going to be limited opening hours, or is it just for futures? So anyway, don't expect anything. Maybe we see a little bit of volume pop, but otherwise nothing extra. Okay, so this was a stop loss for me, which happened, by the way, a little bit later there. So if you don't say, I would never think of it. Well, it's no worries, because I always mix up the opening hours as well, especially on holidays, because I don't know what the limited opening hours mean. I mean, I know that it closes 1 p.m. I just not sure. Anyway, look at that. So if you would have entered, or if we would have entered on the 3-pin entry, we would be almost at risk reward 2 or at 2R. So this is powerful, guys. I'm telling you, this setup is powerful. This entry model is definitely powerful. Okay, what is going on? Yeah, Clarity Trader, the 3-pin formation is mostly represent, hold on, is mostly represents 3 bars after each other with the swing. So for example here, look at that, it started to go. Okay, so let me zoom it out for you. 1 pin, oops, sorry. 1 pin, 3 pin, and the 3rd pin. And basically all that matters is they have to form a swing low or a swing high. That's it. So this is a swing low. That's a 3-pin formation. The break of the structure is the highest point of the three bars. So it's here in this case. That's why I put the entry right there. And if you want to check the details, check out my latest video. I uploaded it yesterday, and I explain everything there. Okay, so look at that. If this is a picture perfect trade. Doesn't really get any better than this. Let's go, 964. Oh my god, look at that. Just ain't right was right. Nice, nice, nice. Guys, the winner of the day and the hour so far, it seems like Just Ain't Right was right at this time. What a trade, what a trade. He entered at 51. He entered at 51 for a very hefty, nice, how much was it? Oh, 64. 13 points at the, oh, it's very nice. Well done, well done. Beautiful, beautiful there. Let me get off the stuff here. I do feel a little bit of FOMO again, but it's fine. It's completely fine. Again, as long as ES is fighting, I think NQ is gonna go at 4 mini. 4 minis just ain't right. Has balls, guys. He has balls. Now, what do we see here? 1, 2, 3. You can still enter on the 5 minute to a bullish order block here, which I might do. Not sure though. Da, 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 da. All right. I would be curious to see if this fair value gap up there is gonna get targeted. Let me show you guys on the 15-minute chart. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm thinking of. So this fair value gap up there could be a potential target or not. That's what I'm looking at, because as far as I'm concerned, it's not that far. So if it wants to, you know, pick up some more liquidity, it can still go up there, and it's not that far away, you know, just saying. Late Christmas is here, boys. You're done. Nice. Thank you very much, and have an awesome day. Justin Wright. Congratulations again. That was a nice one. Very, very nice trade there. So for example, in this case, if I just zoom out, if this candle can hold this level, let's see if it does or not. Because if it would hold, then it has a fair value gap, and it should be closing in about a few seconds. And the fair value gap that it has is right here. So it can be a 5-minute entry as well. It didn't really broke structure on the upside, so it can easily retrace down to the gap, and you know, that would be actually, this is a bullish breaker as far as I'm concerned, because let's go over it together. Thank you, sir. Don't want to overtrade. Yeah, absolutely. You're doing it right. You're doing it right. Adam, first time here. Great job. Adam, thank you very much for joining. Make sure to subscribe and push a like, you know. We used to have some good time here on the stream. Thank you for joining. The absolute winner was Just Ain't Right. And so you can enter here again on this 5-minute bullish breaker. We took some liquidity, reacted to the bullish order block on the 5-minute. So if you entered just around here somewhere inside this fair value gap right now, this could be maybe a long entry. You should be the judge of that. But if it goes down, well, I would say that 61, yeah, you know, you should be setting the stop somewhere below 39 if you want to take this. Be careful though. Yeah. Be careful. Let's check it out. Yeah, let's welcome Adam, and let's give an applause to Adam because he's brand new on the stream. This is awesome. First time from Alabama. How often do you Well, I stream most likely every day, London session and New York session, and you know, that's it. Although I'm not a Lambo guru, I'm not a professional trader. I am funded with Topstep, but now I'm aiming to be funded at My Funded Futures and Apex as well. I am affiliated, but honestly, if someone is new here, I can tell you guys that I'm not making nearly as enough that I want to. I could pay some of my bills from trading, but I'm on the way. But still, you know, everyone here together is trying to share experience and information. Check out my blog, my website. I do have a Discord server as well for $10. I know I'm asking money for it, but actually it's supporting my online journey. We have educational material. There are only a few people yet, but webinars, entry strategies, educational materials, setups, chart talk, stuff like that. You know, go check it out if you would like to. And you know, if you want to grab discount, I have some codes for you, so check out that too. And yeah, so far check out my latest videos. I talk about how much money I made with Topstep last year. Not too much. I talk about the ups and downs, and there you go. That's what I would do if I were you. Just check it out. And thank you, Brad, for being here. You deserve an applause as well. Come on, crowd. Applause for Brad. Alabama. Alabama. Well, I'm a little far from you because, you know, I'm from Europe, but still, you know, keeping up the vibe here. Whatever it takes, as Captain America said. So we're gonna get there, whatever it takes. So far I'm doing a new challenge here with My Funded Futures. 50k account, up 590, trading micros. So just started last week, this new account. And also trading my funded yet still with Topstep, but there's some issues there. I'm not going to talk about it now, maybe later. And that's it. That's the whole story. And also going with Apex as well. Sweet home Alabama, yeah. Sweet home Alabama. I know I'm gonna go to Hungary's Got Talent or something like that. I know. Sweet home Alabama. I don't know. I'm just messing around, boys and girls. All right. What is happening? Nothing so far. Oh yeah, let's go to the 15-minute. I'm gonna let you know what I'm hoping for and what I'm thinking. First, let's agree, and please correct me because I do expect, and I respect and expect critical, or how do they say this? Positive criticism. But as far as I'm concerned, it should be a bullish breaker. Swing low here, lower high. Well, tiny lower high here maybe. So not the perfect one. Higher high. So higher high. No, lower high, lower low, and higher high, with a bullish fair value gap and the structure shift here. And let's put it right there. So I would say it's not a textbook perfect one. I know that, but as far as I'm concerned, it does look like a bullish breaker, or not. If not even a bullish breaker, but still a U2 2022 entry model with this fair value gap. Slash BC. So you know, and as for targets, I would like this one to go all the way up to this 15-minute sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. It has been left untouched. And as far as I told you guys in the London session, as far as we're CES fighting for a new historical high from the 29th of 2022. This one can help us with NQ to seek for higher levels. If not, then so be it, you know. For now, this is the only thing I'm aiming for. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Yeah. Long 16,950 6 target. Okay, and the target is 16,998. Good target, actually. Good target if you're willing to hold it. But don't forget, you know, markets are gonna be a little off today. Getting into the mood before even opening charts is critical. Positivism, yeah, it absolutely is. So we're in the mood, everyone. If you took a long on this fair value gap, Zoltan actually entered in a very good position at 56. It's actually a good place to enter. Not gonna lie, my entry is definitely very, very bad, but I don't mind it. I was talking too much, so that's why sometimes it's difficult to talk and stream. I mean, to trade and stream at the same time. So my entry is off, but my entry is actually at 61. So my entry is 61, but I want to target 86. So that's where my target is going to be. My stop loss is below 39. Actually, 39 is going to be my stop. So if it takes me out, so be it. It's not going to be a big one. It's only micros. And we move forward, you know, as we do. I'm out if breaks lower aggressively than 950. Really? I'm considering that move as well. If I see an aggressive break lower, let's see. That's a good choice, by the way, to minimize your risk. Let's see. If it breaks lower than 50, you know what? Actually, I might going to push my stop loss to 46. 46.25. Yeah, because if it breaks lower than 52, and especially if it trades below the swing below that, which is at 47, then you know it's no use to hold on to it anymore, because that's not something I want to see. If it trades below that level, if it trades below 47, then the trade is gone. And if that happens, it's no problem. We can also check what's going underneath there for targets, but most likely I'm not going to look for targets if it breaks lower, because you know there's no use to force any reversal trade or something like that. So this one is based on the 5-minute most likely, and on the fact that we have liquidity up there at the 86s. It might gonna be slow. If it's gonna be taking forever in the AM session to go there, I'm just gonna cut the trade, and you know it's a slow day. That's it. That's it. Not gonna cry about it too much. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of a cry. I don't like. I really don't like this pullback down there. But yeah. So my stop is below 47. Actually, it's 46.25. That's where my stop is. Right down there. Damn it. Could be going down even more. So this bullish breaker so far is not really acting as I really wanted it to. We have equal highs at ES. We have a small volume imbalance up there. It broke below 51, as I see. I'm almost out of the trade. I think it's gonna be a stop loss. So we're gonna eat this one. I'm checking for bearish order blocks, by the way. Maybe something has messed up the whole thinking process here. But it's alright. That's fine. Looking in the 5 minute. Yeah, today I haven't taken any trade. Yeah, you did right. Because as you can see, I want to perform here and do a show. And I'm just taking these trades, but I'm not worried about that. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna let you guys know when my stop is getting hit. I'm not gonna feel depressed or something like that. So, but seems like it's gonna be hit. So I'm considering to close it, save up a little bit. Yeah, I closed it manually. Okay, I'm out. I lost around 15 points. Look at that, it's dropping. So this bullish breaker didn't hold. But I mean, it would be interesting if it would turn back up again at this point. So now I would like to see it take out the 39s just to, you know, feel a little bit safer. 39 should be broken. I'm gonna tell you why, because on the 15-minute chart there is a low at 38.50 and another low at 39. So this one should be broken. 30 yeah, low of this one is 39.25. It should be broken down there. There you go. So hard to tell. Yeah, me too. Out of it. And fortunately we survived this with a smaller loss. We're not gonna cry about it. I'm down today. I'm down how much? $60. It's fine. It was a very small paper cut there. Other than this, it's hard to tell what it wants to do now. Don't jump into a short just because it wants to take that, although it's tempting. Look at equal lows down there. 44. Risk reward is off. Otherwise, maybe, you know, it's 60, 39. If it would go back up to 49, maybe I would jump into a short because it made a structure shift. Who knows? Well, I would like to see 49 at least. Should I do that? Maybe. Who knows? Because these are relative equal lows. Right down there. ES is definitely stuck here. Not sure. Not sure what the scenario is right now. Zoltan is here. Market makers send out. We open gap down. It's holiday, yeah. Yeah, I know it's holiday in USA. So that's why I'm saying if you trade, just go with small size. I'm just working my day job at home and listening to you, right? Thank you very much. And I wish I could join you for London. Hey, don't worry about it. I'm still happy that you guys are here and, you know, we can talk about trading, you know, chill out. And it seems like they want to send NQ down. Look at that. Look at that. They're still sending it down. We're gonna break the 39, that's for sure. I'm pretty confident about that. That we're gonna break that 39 level. I think. If it goes back to the 50s before that, well, actually the 5 minute still has to wait a little bit, but the 5 minute made the structure shift. Look at that. Yeah, it's gonna go down. Now it's breaking. I had a limit order, I'm not gonna lie. I still have a limit order, but I might going to close it. Still waiting, to be honest. Still waiting. Yeah, I'm taking off. I'm taking this off. I had the limit order. It's breaking down, which means next target at 32. But in terms of targets, I don't really see anything else here. So we have Friday low at 867. I'm trying to look for some bullish order blocks, but there is none on the 1 hour. On the 15 minute, well, there is a bullish order block at 917. Not so good. So not so good, and it already has been so-called mitigated, but I know that's not a good word for it. So I'm just waiting, not doing anything. We don't have order blocks, we don't have fair value gaps, no significant lows here. It's just chop city right now. So let's just wait. 32, 17, and 13 are the Friday PD arrays for New York. Yeah. Yeah, so far it seems like that if in the next 6 minutes and 34 seconds, if this candle is going to close around this point or below the 47s, then this one should be considered. Look at that, it's going back. It's going back into the order block. Because this area, this gray area here, is actually the order block. So if we close inside the order block, above 46, I would say 46.75. Yeah, they are sort of a PD array in a way. Yeah, I understand. Sorry about the Streamlabs is spamming you. I can't do anything about it yet, but I'm gonna check it out. Oh, okay, look at that. We're back into the bullish order block. And this is amazing just to watch. We're back into the 15-minute bullish order block. Despite the fact that volume is acting weird, look at this price action. Let's go down to... Okay, tell me what you want. I'm going to enter into a long position. Come on. I entered to a long position. There you go. With micros, so don't worry about it. Based on the order block, actually. It's risky. Do not do what I do. It's gonna be my second chance for this order block. I'm still targeting the 86. It's only with micros, and I'm still within my daily loss limit. So, I mean, mental limit with micros. If I lose this one, I'm gonna add another loss of around $70 or $80, and then I'm not going to take another one on this. Almost like the 3-pin entry, and this one I can take a tight stop here. And the risk reward of 2. My entry is at 48.39. Okay, that's my entry. And my stop is going to be down there. So it's a reasonable stop for me. I'm not going to take partials. I'm targeting 70. No, okay, yeah, I'm going to take partials. I'm targeting 86. But I'm going to take partials at... I'm gonna take partials at maybe at the 70s. Yeah, at 70. At 70, I'm gonna take partials. I think. Yeah, so that's my trade. Check the 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I see that. I see that. I see the 5-minute fair value gap. And this is a structure break, I know that. But the next candle took out a new low here. So we are still inside the bullish order block, which pretty much holding this area. So I don't know, it's hard to tell, and I know what you're saying. I'm gonna be watching this closely, just in case, you know. What the hell I was doing? No way, dude. I have mistakenly closed down a portion. I'm still in it, though. I'm still in the trade. Okay. Let's see. Let us see. Don't worry, guys. We're still in it to win it. What an interesting day. Be careful about this limited market opening time. Viox is here. Hey there, welcome. Always opposite? What do you mean by that? Viox is always against me. That's how it means it. But yeah, I think maybe it was a good thing that I partially closed some of the micros there. But I think maybe it can go up. Yeah, maybe. Who knows? That's why I'm not really going to force it if this AM session goes crazy, guys. I might just leave it as it is. I don't want to suffer from more losses here. So far we did a pretty good job. Well, the only thing that, you know, really puts me in the positive mood with this trade is this order block on the 15-minute. Go to the 15-minute, everyone, if you want to check it. It's the candle from Sunday open, actually, right here on the 15-minute. I do like this. So that's the order block that is keeping me on track to go for liquidity up there. Here, I think it can be a possibility. We took out some lows here. We are in a daily discount. ES is fighting to get higher. On the higher time frames, I'm pretty much bullish. Anyways, there's not much to take here. That doesn't mean it cannot, you know, just fall down like a rock. But I don't see too much juicy targets down here. Last week, it already took out some sell side and repriced some levels. I would like to see this to go up, but, you know. Let's see how it goes. I'm in the trade. This is officially a trade here. Finally. You took TP. Nice, 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 nice. Viox took TP. Congratulations. Nice TP there. Everybody who makes profit on this trade, there's a link below. You know, you can donate at least 10% of it. All right. Thank you. Thank you, guys. All right. But in all seriousness, I mean, seriously, go check out my links. There are some discounts for new accounts at MyFunded Futures and Apex. Don't let the MyFunded Future account go away, guys. It's I think it's going on in this month. I don't even know which date, but it's 50% and it's only one-time opportunity to grab it. So use my code, and also Apex as well. We're in the silver bullet hour officially, which means we can turn on the serious music, guys. So let's go serious with the tone here, all right? Everybody scared? It's silver bullet hour. Silver bullet, silver bullet, silver bullet. Scary. Tune in with the silver bullet. Full margin. No stops. Coin toss. Who cares? Just go in with full margin. Okay, anyway. You had the turtle soup. I got an idea. Do you remember the Diablo 2 background? I think I do. But I have to be careful with these sound effects because YouTube can flag me if they, you know, the algorithm hears some portion of a copyrighted scene, let it be just from a movie or whatever, you know. I have to be careful. This sound effect is from the Millionaire Quiz Show, you know. It was very popular in television back in the days, so it's really stressing me out, so I thought that I'm gonna put it here. Dridi is here. Welcome, and welcome everyone. Applause again, guys, come on. Welcome to the stream. Please do subscribe. Join the team. We're gonna push this to the highs. Yeah, it's from the Millionaire, so anyway. I do have another sound effect if we're correct. All right, I'm here. So, what I want to say? Oh yeah, I have the sound effect for the wrong answer or wrong trade. What else do we have? Entering a trade. Entering a trade is a great effect, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna be updating my soundboard. Don't worry. So, this long trade is definitely not going well for us, so everybody, you know, abandon ship if you guys want to. I called out this one. I'm gonna be the last one who goes down with the ship, so I'm gonna be going down with the ship. You guys can save your butt if you want to. I'm in a slight profit. I might just going to go down with this one. But hey, I'm super happy. You know, guys, why I'm happy? I'm happy because you guys are here, and that's it. If somebody's new here, go check out my latest video about the 3-pin entry using ICT order blocks. I think it's a great strategy. I mean, entry model, I would say it's not a complete strategy, but it's a good entry model if you're using it in confluence with market structure and order flow and everything. You know, go check it out. It's because YouTube wants you to pay for their sound effects and music. Yeah, nah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how this works in the background, all this copyrighted stuff and everything. So I just want to make sure that I don't violate. I can get like three strikes, I think. So I think I can still go on after the first or the second strike. But the third strike, I think they're just gonna delete my channel or something like that. So they're very strict about it. Even if I'm just using sound effects from very popular, let it be video games, movies, or whatever. So I have to be careful about the soundboard, actually. Yeah, I mean, it's not a perfect video, but I'm gonna update on that, by the way. I already decided that I'm going to refine that order block entry, because right now what I'm working on in the background is I'm pretty much carving out my own model, which I'm trying to share with you guys in more and more details. But my model is definitely the YouTube 2022. That's the core entry, but I do want to use it together with the order blocks as well. And again, I know I talked about that in other streams. There was a great guy, unfortunately he passed away. He was doing the YouTube channel Trading LP. His name was Usman, and I learned this 3-pin entry from him. I was part of his group on Discord, and he was really murdering the market, really doing cool stuff there. And this was his main core trade model, the 3-pin order block entry. So that's why I decided this like months ago that I'm trying to carry on that entry model, because I really liked it. Try to, you know, implement it to my own trading model as well. Of course, everything is in confluence with the smart money or ICT concepts. I don't have to use everything, and you don't have to use everything from ICT concepts. You don't have to know all the, I don't even know how many concepts are together, you know, because that's gonna make you crazy. Even ICT said it. It's not possible to use everything in together. You have to choose one or two. You have to go with one or two weapons. You're not going to a war with, except if you're Arnold Schwarzenegger, like the Terminator, but you're not going to a war with like 10 weapons on your back or whatever. You just carry one or two. And the YouTube 2022 is one of them, which I carry. And the order blocks are going to be my secondary weapon, if I may say so. So, yo, hello, Teacher FX is here. Nice. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, Teacher FX is also a veteran viewer and regular here on the stream. Welcome. Just make a continuation of the first one, like a series. Might be nice to make 10 videos. Yeah, I was thinking about that. I might going to do a continuation video series of these 3-pin order block entries. I want to refine them, you know, go into details, but those videos are going to be most likely 30 minutes or longer. So I cannot put these into a 10-minute short video. It's not possible, because I want to talk about more. Or maybe I'm going to do like, and actually I'm going to do that this week. Just saying that if you want to join my Discord, it's $10. I'm going to upload this week at least an hour or 2 hours, kind of a webinar about in details how I'm using these entries all the way down to the 30-second chart, and what I experienced so far. So just saying that we only have a few people in Discord, but I'm trying to build it up, so consider to join. It's only $10, and you will get the MetaTrader indicators that I was also testing. It's still not out yet. I mean, it's going to be free. I'm going to point you guys where you can download it for free. Absolutely. But there is going to be a webinar only for my Discord members of how I was using that indicator, what was my exact confirmation of entries, and how I was using that indicator. And you're going to be only seeing that in my Discord, but I'm going to put a YouTube video out as well, and I'm going to let you guys know where you can download it. But the exact settings, the exact template, and the exact versions of that specific set of indicators, I'm going to let you guys know in details in my Discord. So that's just an update that this is what you can expect this week. I'm working on some content. I definitely do. I want to put more energy into this, and this is the minimum that I really want to share that I've known so far. It doesn't matter if it is long, bro. I like longer videos. Yeah, me too. I mean, I just can't press everything into a 10-minute video because it's not possible, especially if you're talking about the concept. Even ICT said so. I mean, you cannot put this into 10 minutes or 5 minutes. There are some videos out there, of course, like ICT core concepts in 5 minutes, but it's not going to cut it because you're going to have second questions. You're going to have some details that you want to know more, and I want to go into the details. So this trade right now is going against us, which I don't mind. So far, it's not looking good. So that's what you can expect from that. So make sure to subscribe because at least you're gonna get updated about how we're doing with the 3-pin entries with the order blocks, and don't miss out the brief. Well, it's not going to be that brief, but the review of those indicators that I was testing in the past few weeks. Okay, it's going to be awesome. I promise you that. Okay, let's check ES. ES is still in the range. NQ is dropping. I don't know what the heck. I should just close it down. Dollar index, yeah, it's going stronger. Yeah, you know, it can also go for this. What is this? Is this a new day opening gap or something? I don't know, but it has a liquidity void up there, so dollar index can still go up there, and as long as dollar index is getting stronger, NQ is going to have trouble. So this trade is definitely in jeopardy. You guys should consider to close it, or at least close it with some partial losses. I already closed partials up here accidentally, so I'm just gonna hold on to it because, you know, I'm going down with the ship. If it goes down, I go down with it. So it is what it is. Otherwise, we are going to, and let's check the 15-minute. The 15-minute chart is closing right now, and this is not good news. This means, I know it's a bank holiday. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. This 15-minute candle is going to close in 25 seconds, and the fact that it's closing below the range of the order block tells me that I mean, this is a very bad sign. We could expect this one to go lower, so you should decide what you want to do. I'm having a very small position here that's left over, so I don't mind if it takes me out. It's fine. I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and then we will see. It wants to go 930, right? Yeah, if it takes out this level here, right here, then we might going to see levels lower. Trying to catch up with this, but yeah, and looking for order blocks also on the higher time frames, but honestly it's hard to tell right now. I really don't see too much targets on the downside, but what the heck is going on here? Closed below and then it started to go back up. NQ always surprises me, but this unfortunately does not save us. Yeah, it's a small position, so I don't really care. As I was entering here, it spiked up and I accidentally closed it just at the top of this wick. I closed it with 3 micros or 4, I don't even know, because I think I entered with 4 or 5 micros. I was just adding with I fat fingered the button with 1 micros, but I never go over 5 micros. And so I fat fingered it here with 1 micros, and I closed, I think, 3 or 4 here. Yeah, anyway, so even if I lose this one, it's fine. But you know, as Mark Douglas says, you should hold on to it. You accepted the outcome. Let it be a loss or a win. You accepted the outcome and you should go with it, right? So I'm gonna go with it. I accepted it. So I'm gonna go with it. Wherever it takes me. Alright. Alright. I'm at break even now. But I'm not closing it. This was my original theory. If it takes me out, so let it be. I don't know. It's confusing, but I'm just gonna let it ride. It can still go up. Yeah, it can still. I like this level up there on the 5/15 minutes / 1 hour almost. So this level is pretty strong up there. Are we gonna get it? Who knows? But market is definitely going to be limited today. So either way, we should be exiting this trade in the next hour or so. I don't even know exactly. So this is what happens when there's not enough volume on the market. So let's talk about the fact that why you guys should go and buy an evaluation account with a prop firm. No, I don't want to be pushy like that, but by the way, I would say if you're starting out trading and if you have an extra $50, it's definitely a better solution. I know ICT is against it, and I know a lot of traders are against it. But I would say if you have $50 to enter to trade with a prop firm, it's going to give you a much better experience, because with that you can feel a little bit extra skin in the game, you know, because as long as you're playing demo money, it's absolutely not the same. If you're trading demo money, you cannot even compare it to trading real money. Even if it's just $50, your investment is $50 to the account. It feels completely different. So prop firms are the perfect place to practice your trading, I'd say, if you're doing it within reasonable, how should I say, reasonable risk management, you know. Don't go all in, of course. I'm trading with Alpha Capital Group, UK based. Yeah, I heard of them. Yeah, I heard of them, actually. I'm aware of them. I might look into them in the future. For now, I'm down into these ones, having so far good experiences. I'm not going to put more energy on Topstep right now, but I'm funded with Topstep, so but I want to be funded with my funded futures and Apex as well. Grim is here. Really helped me keep my tuition cost down. Well, yeah. I mean, if you're referring to the fact that you can start with a 50k evaluation account, it is really the best way to enter into the market with almost like the same feeling as if it was your capital. So for $50, that's actually a good experience. Abu Bakar, hey there, I just subscribed. Do you usually come live? Yes, welcome to the stream, by the way, and you deserve, my friend, an applause. You're funded with Apex, great. You deserve an applause. As a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I do love when someone is new on the stream. and please push the like button, guys. I really would like to push this stream to the all-time highs. And by the way, check out my latest video about the order blocks. It's not a perfect, I apologize. In the video I noticed at least 3 times when I mix up the order block with the word fair value gap, and I say bullish instead, I say bearish instead of, I say bullish instead of bearish order block. I think 1 or 2 times at least. So still, you guys will understand what I'm talking about. We were trading the same concept in the London session this morning. But when I was learning, I started with my own funds, yeah, and lost money left and right. But learning with Apex helped me not lose everything before. Could actually, and there you go. So that's the best testimonial from someone who is already funded with Apex. If you're going with the prop firm, I think you're doing yourself a great favor. For one, you're not going to lose that much money, because trust me, I did the same just as Grim did back in 2017 and 2018. I lost, I don't even want to, I mean tens of thousands of dollars, guys. I was so stupid and crazy. I was funding my own Forex accounts, and I was going in like crazy, guys. Trust me, losing your own capital, especially when you're new to the game, is something I don't even know what it's. I mean, that was the real depression and hell after that. So going with prop firms is a good choice, trust me. So got back from minus 100 to minus 10. Feels like a win to be. Of course it's a win. Of course, Zoltan, it's a great win, because you managed risk. You know when to exit. You know what to do. So that is great. That is great. And since we were talking, I also managed to scalp my way a little bit. I was trading in hindsight, I know, guys, but so far I made it back. What the heck is going on here? I'm gonna show you guys just a second. So this account which I'm trading is this My Funded Futures account. I have $590 on it. Started last week, only 2 days traded, and today I am officially up. How much is that? Around 30 cents. Actually 29 cents or something like that. I'm up 29 cents. Yeah. So managed to rescalp my losses, and that's it. Okay. Yeah, I was inexperienced, definitely, Dominic. What do you mean by trading hindsight? Well, while we were talking and I was talking to you guys, I was pressing the buy and the sell button in the background. You guys didn't notice that because I disabled the notifications. So I was scalping a few points here and there, and I made back the losses I just suffered from the previous trade. But officially this trade goes on. So at least I'm back to break even for the day. I'm back to break even. I'm not proud of it. I'm not proud of it. I know. Sue me. I'm not proud of it. This trade is still nice. I do like it so far. I do like it. So let's see if it wants to go. I'm not touching it today, man. If I see something, I might take it. Yeah, I mean, you can. If you don't want to overtrade, the demo account is a good stage to go crazy, you know. Oh, okay. No hindsight trading from Tom. I was doing some hindsight trading. Is that what it's called, really? Is that the fact that it's called hindsight trading? I did that, guys. please, guys, just don't leave me. All right, don't go away. I mean, stay on the stream and don't leave me. All right, I'm still transparent, guys. I still am. I'm still transparent. Don't leave me. Don't leave the stream. All right, just don't go anywhere. We're here to make money. It's only possible together. Damn it! I was trading hindsight. That's forbidden to trade hindsight. You cannot know what you cannot know what you do not know yet until you think you know. What? I'm too tired for this, Dominic, but let's go over again. You can I'm crazy. You cannot know what you do not know yet until you think you know. Yet you do not know if that is working until you do the homework, like Tom in the last video does. Whatever, you know? Whatever. Whatever. I agree completely. Just look, don't listen. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Absolutely, Dominic, you're right. I was completely following that thought process you had there. So it's fine. I know. But you know how it is, guys. When I start to trade, I just can't resist. I can't resist to take a trade.
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
Tom, you made homework in last video and backtested, bro. What? Tom, you made homework in last video and backtested, bro. Yes, I did. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I backtested it. I did the homework. I did good. Uzbek is here. A fellow friend from Uzbekistan, right? Am I right? Huge applause. Welcome to the fan. I should do some intro or something. I don't know. Still thinking on it. Welcome. How you doing? We're in this trade with a tiny small position, but it's official. It's not hindsight trading, you know. I would never do that. I would never. So we're in this. It's official. We're targeting the highs up there, and that's it. You know, guys, push the like, subscribe, donate if you're rich. Somebody, Jeff just subscribed. Let's hear an applause for Jeff, sorry. Jeff Hagel, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. This is awesome. So I forgot what to say. And anyway, I'm a pro. I know what I'm doing. Never say never. So, but I will never trade behind your back, guys. Never. I'm not that kind of person, you know. I'm just here. I'm explaining everything to you guys. I'm showing everything. I'm showing you guys my account stats. I'm showing you everything. Next time I'm going to be talking about what I suffer in real life. No, there's going to be a bad topic. I'm not going to do that. Where do you get these charts? Or do what? Where do you get these charts or do the demo? And can this be done from phone? This is TradingView, by the way. This is TradingView, and that's it. Subscribe to TradingView, and that's it. We love you, Tom. We enjoy being here. That's what I wanted to hear. That's what I wanted to hear. I want to tell you guys, I love you too. I love you too. I'm gonna hug my microphone. I love you guys too. And imagine, I didn't even drink yet, although I'm not a drinker. So, I'm not a drinker. No, okay, I used to drink, for example, 1 beer at summer and maybe a glass of wine during Christmas. And that's all my drinking. Look at this. We're going up. We're going up. So this trade is based on the same exact concept that I was telling you in the latest video. Go check it out. You will have all the answers you need. What is Apex? Brad is asking. Apex Trader Funding is a proprietary trading firm. You can check the link below, Brad. If you go down to the description of the stream, you will find the link there. You can go to Apex and you can enter to a evaluation or so-called challenge account at Apex Trader Funding. It's a regulated US-based proprietary trading firm, and you can buy yourself a $50,000 US evaluation account for less than $50. I think it's $48 if you use my code. And there you have it. And if you do the target, which is $3,000, then you get a funded account. So you should check it. Apex is one of the top 5 future, or top 4 or 5 or whatever, one of the top proprietary trading firms in futures so far, and you should check them out. You should check them out. Drink anything, but yeah, I'm not. As I said, I'm drinking, for example, 1 beer on a hot summer day, or maybe 1 glass of wine during Christmas. That's all I drink. Apex is a firm which provides you money if you know what you are doing. Well, that's an explanation too. Yeah. So if you know what you're doing, you can make money with Apex Trader Funding. And if you're seeking for a little bit of a shoulder tapping or a trading buddy or a good community, by the way, Brad, I urge you to jump into my Discord for $10. I can't help it, guys. I have to do the commercials. It's for my own sake, guys. I'm gonna be real honest with you. I'm not gonna make any payouts most likely this month from proprietary trading. So I'm pretty much counting my my cash to what bills I have to pay until month end. So it's gonna be tight, this month for me. So I'm trying to maintain the channel to reach for the number of subscribers and viewing hours to be able to get some ad revenue at least from YouTube. I'm trying to build up my Discord and trying to put much value just as much as I can there, because so far this is all I do. This is my job, guys. I want to trade more and more with proprietary trading firms, and that's it. Of course, yeah, I'm marketing myself. Technically, I'm marketing myself. So, but I'm not promising that, you're going to be a millionaire next month or you will know everything about the market. But if you want to join to a good community, well, people are helping out each other, then our Discord and our stream is a good place to start. I started the same way, so I think it's a good thing. Holy crap! What? Holy crap 20, I'm trying to figure out how to read this chat. What? I like your tone because you are transparent and on. Thank you very much, Justin Wright. Well, I try to be. So I'm not gonna lie. This is the only thing I dedicated because you just have to figure it out. I sit here in front of the screen and doing the streams with you guys at least 4 hours or maybe 5 hours a day, right? Every business day. I have to upload some content as well, and I do have IRL stuff that I have to manage, and I do have to concentrate and focus on the trades as well. So it's pretty much my only job I do, if I may say so. So yes, if somebody is asking why I'm doing all these promotions like affiliation codes or asking $10 for a Discord membership, it's because I want to be able to pay my electricity bill and stuff like that, because honestly I'm not there yet. But I promise you guys, if I will be making enough from trading that I don't really, I'm going to put my Discord to a free state. Maybe I can promise you that. We'll see. That's We'll see in the future. Never say never, of course, because there's also marketing in this, and branding. Self-branding is also included here on the channel. I'm not gonna lie, but trading is my main goal. I was able to pull some money from Top Step. I was able to pay my bills, and the past few months was okay. But check out my video before the latest one. I explained that it wasn't all rainbow and sunshine. So I'm technically a break-even trader. If I have to be honest, I'm around break-even in terms of these proprietary trading stuff, you know. Well, I'm even a little bit below break-even. I'm trying to turn the turn this around. Let's see. Tom is very nice. I know I'm nice. I'm a nice person. I'm good looking, you know. I'm nice, you know. Whatever. What's the 10 bones on this? Most definitely drop 10 bones. Well, I mean, as you would like to. I mean, I have to say that our Discord server is in a very sort of start out state, so don't expect a flood of information there. I'm trying to upload some forecast every week. I'm trying to share some educational stuff every week. Thank you for the, wow, Mark Davies just subscribed. Thank you so much for the sub. So I'm trying to share some stuff. We only have a few people there, like 8 or 10 or 11. I don't even know. Just a few. We're starting out not too long ago, but you'll be able to download some educational material, indicators, entry models. I'm going to be uploading some stuff there, and it's helping out the journey, you know. So that's why anyone can consider. But I try to do my best. I promise. I promise that. I must. It must make a retest. Yeah, Tom is a future Lambo trader. Is the gray bar the buy side sweep? Yes. Yes. So this should be buy side. I'm gonna put actually a marker there. It is mostly visible on the 15-minute chart. This is buy side liquidity, so I'm gonna go down here again. That's buy side, and it's also a 15-minute fair value gap / sell side imbalance buy side inefficiency, which is a CB. So let's put it right there. That's what it is. That's why I think that we could be going up there, you know. It could be. No need for Lambo. Give me some goulash. I will. Now come to Hungary. Everybody's gonna be my guest for a goulash. All right. Promise you. Yeah. 12 p.m. Central Time is when the trading closes. I just got the message. Goulash is a Hungarian food. I'm gonna show you guys what is goulash is. It's a traditional Hungarian food. It's mainly a soup. Actually, it's a soup. There you go. That is goulash. The way I eat goulash is like this or this. You know, it's mainly from potatoes. You know, it has some meat, of course, pork meat. There's some differences how people make it, but it's kind of like a soup, most likely. But it's very delicious. I promise you guys. It has lots of paprika, so you guys would love it. Trust me. Trust me. Traditional Hungarian food. Absolutely, Dominic. Absolutely. If you come here, you are my guest. That's not even a question. That is very delicious. I can tell you guys that this soup is like hundreds and years old Hungarian recipe. It's very, very traditional. Our ancestors were eating this, so it's a very good soup. Or do they call it stew or something? It's a soup. Anyway, it has sausage, it has pork, it has potato with lots of paprika. It's very good. Very good. Lina Sedas, hey there. Lina, nice to see you. Welcome to the stream again. Here in Mexico, we call it caldo de res. Caldo de res. Nice. Caldo de res. Cool. I love that everybody's here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to push those likes, you know. And by the way, if you guys are interested, again, I'm saying about that order block video that I just put out there. Sorry about, again, I apologize. I mix up the words sometimes because I say fair value gap instead of order block. So forgive me about that. But it's a very, very good video in terms if you would like to understand how it is possible to enter with the ICT order blocks. The 3-pin entry strategy is the best I've seen so far if you want to utilize order blocks. So go check it out and leave a comment there. That would be awesome. Fish glass. Yeah, fish goulash is also yeah. That's also great. The fam is growing, guys. The fam is growing. So this is the official trade. If someone is just dropping in, this is the official trade. It's based on the 15-minute order block. Although we did close below here, the stop loss was holding out, so it's still fine. We're looking for at least a 1 to 2 risk reward. So if someone wants to close it around here, the 1 to 2 should be around 973. I'm looking for this to go all the way up to 986. So that's what I'm looking for, 986. So check that out. 986 is definitely a level that you could be looking for. Roman also subscribed. Thank you very much. How did I not get the notice, guys? If there is no notification on the subscription, it might be because your YouTube has been set to private or something. I don't know the details, and that's why my OBS is not displaying the notification or doesn't ring that bell. But if you would like to have a shout out, just type in a text and I would be happy to give you an applause if you're a new subscriber. And if you're rich, please donate. I have to say that, guys. I have to. I don't care. If I'm gonna be making thousands of... Oh, there you go. Roman sub is just appeared. So if I'm gonna be making thousands of dollars weekly, maybe from trading, I'm definitely willing to give back something to the people. I think I was thinking to do some charity or doing some donation to good cause. I don't know. I was donating to a dog shelter for some time, but yeah, money is a shortage sometimes. Anyway, welcome, Roman. Welcome. So again, if you want to grab a very good discount, it's only one chance and one account that you can have for 50% discount with My Funded Futures. It's a good prop firm, I think. So far, it's very user friendly. Everything is great and smooth. Go down, check out the link. Absolutely, I want to give something back to OG viewers. I already started it. Hello Teacher FX, please send me an email if you can. I don't know your email address, but please send me an email. You can find it on my YouTube channel. It's tomsabobiz@gmail.com. I'm gonna send something back to you. All right, just send me an email. And who else is here? Ukando. I'm not sure Ukando is here. Anyway, Hello Teacher FX is here with me since almost the beginning, since I'm streaming. So I almost forgot you. Send me an email. I want to send you something. If you can. Okay, who else was here? I'm looking for a few people from the OGs, from the very, very beginnings, but I don't see the names. Maybe Ukando is still here, but if not, Ukando, if you can hear me, just send an email. But Hello Teacher FX, you send me an email too. So, what do we have? Yes, definitely. You have been a witness, absolutely, from the very beginnings, very beginnings. So, send me that email. I'm happy about that. You motivated me too, because I know you sent me some very useful stuff and we had some good conversations, you know. So that really means a lot to me. Can I fund my own account without going through a firm or exchange? Yes, I mean you can if you want to open an account at a future broker. There are many regulated futures brokers out there, interactive brokers, AMP Broker, Trade08, whatever, you know, you can choose. There are a few names in the market, in the business. You just have to deposit money, you know. For example, I would advise you to go with at least $500 minimum with micros, or 1,000 or 2,000 would be better. But it should be better to go with a prop firm, trust me, because percentages are high that if you're new in trading, you're gonna be losing quite a big portion of that money, you know. Don't remember when you had your first 20 subs, we went through roughness. Yes, I remember, Dominic. And all the good stuff. Yes, absolutely. I know that, Dominic. And I will never forget. That was cool. And we're gonna go on this road together, you know, every one of us. So I'm looking forward to that. I really do. I really, really do. Oh yeah, Twitter followers. Oh my God, yes. By the way, Alvin has it's a good thing. Alvin has a good point there. I have to put more energy to Twitter too. I know that Twitter. I have some old OG followers on Twitter too. Of course, I remember. Absolutely, absolutely, Alvin, absolutely. So, yeah, Trade08 has got a good entry requirement. So, Alvin, I think you're following on Twitter since a while. I don't even know. There's so many names. We used to have like 4 or 5 viewers, but I assume Tom has been dropping gems since the beginning. Well, I just tried to. Look at this trade, by the way, already at 68. It's looking good. We thought that it's gonna end up very bad, but it's still going all right. So I guess the 3-pin entry is looking good. If someone is looking for the 1 to 2 risk reward, then you should be getting it at 73. So it's your decision. If you want to take it off, 73 should be your final TP with 1 to 2. I'm not gonna put a line there, but 73 is gonna be that point. It's less than 3 points away, guys. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna take it off at 73. If we get there, I'm gonna take it off. So it's a little bit dangerous because we have to poke higher than the swing high here. So it's a 1 to 2. Look at that. It's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be perfect. Yeah, me too. Actually, I thought that we're just gonna, you know, we're having more volume than we were having on a regular market open day. You know, I mean a regular business day. That I meant to say. It's crazy. So let's see if we can get the 73. You know, we might have a chance to do that during the AM session. If we get that, it's celebration time, and it's also another proof that the order block theory is a massive one. It's working, and that's why you should join the Discord. Yeah, Tom has shown me a very important thing in my life. No matter how bad you feel at the moment, never giving up is what Tom is showing daily, again and again and again. Let's effing go. Yes. Also, I mean, there are these guys up in the Himalaya, you know, Hindus, or I don't even know. I'm sorry, I don't know the in those temples up there in the hills, what they called. Anyway, so they told it in a video that one of the keys to happiness in life is never giving up. As long as you're not giving up, you're going to live a long and healthy life. If you're giving up, you're gonna get sick, your life is gonna be shorter, and that's it, basically. So never give up, whatever it is. And I put my life on the line. Literally, I put my life in this to figure out this shit. Sorry, excuse my French again. I put my life to figure this shit out. Because I love this. I love viewing the charts. I love to figure this thing out. I love seeing it go all the way up and down. Even if it freaks me out, I still love it. Every day I get up, I like to open up the charts and try to read the market. I think it's a great thing that we have the technology. Today we have everything in our vicinity to... I mean, we are spoon-fed with this. This is a way to print your own money, guys. This is a way to print your own money. And if you put in the work, you will get there. Oh my God, you guys are riding. It is less volume usually, yeah, that can make it more volatile. Like earlier you said, put 50 in a play with that instead of demo. Have to excuse me. Yeah. Just never tried anything like this, but it's very interesting. It has definitely bread. So if you have an extra 50 bucks, if you want to dive into this, unfortunately, I mean, today's world, $50, it's not that big a deal. So put in 50 bucks into an account. You will have a liquidity for, how much is it? 500 futures, you have $2,000 of liquidity to trade with. So if you put, because the drawdown is $2,000 on a 50K account. So basically you put in $50 and you get a $2,000 account, if you look at it like that, right? So it's a very good deal. In exchange for $50, you get $2,000. We live for this. It's our passion. There you go. There you go, Dominic. When you learn it enough, you become addicted to it. Now you just now you just how to do it properly. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, just how to do it properly. Exactly. So we live for this. I live for this thing, actually. And again, Brad, $50 for an account to have funds. It's absolutely, it's better to deposit $2,000 from your own money. I would definitely choose 100 times to put in $50 to an account than to put in my own $2,000 to a futures account. No question about it. No question about it. You still have to treat it like a business, because if you're treated like as a gambling addiction or something like that, or as a slot machine, it's not going to work out. I know personally people who are just abusing the reset button, like another reset. They're pushing the reset button all day. And what good is that? They reset the account, they go full margin just to pass the account. And what good is that? I did pass a Top Step account in 2 days, but it's not good. I mean, if you pass an account in 1 or 2 days, that's really not a big deal. You know what a big deal is? A big deal is, even if it's just an evaluation account, if you can hold an evaluation account for 2 weeks or 3 weeks by trading it every day with micros. And guys, I don't want to jinx it, but I think we just made it. One to two. Made it to 73. My trade is off, actually, so we got to 73. Yeah, this was great. Exactly took it. My terminal hit the target. 73 was hit. There you go, 76. So if someone is still holding the target, the original target was 86, but the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, well, 1 to 1.98 is actually succeeded. So this was a nice trade. If you guys want to know how to enter trades like this, check out my latest video. This is solely based on the 3-pin order block entry model. It's a 30-minute video. Check it out. It's my latest video. It's free out there. It's based on the ICT concepts, based on the order blocks. So Matthew, thank you so much for the sub. Thank you, and welcome to the channel. So go check it out. I'm using the Smart Money / ICT order blocks for this entry, and that's it. Go check out that video and drop a like if you like this entry, and do subscribe. We're gonna get there, guys and girls and gals, gals and boys and everyone. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it because I'm desperate to continue to build this up, build this community up, and build the channel up. We're not gonna stop at 1,000 subs, and we're not gonna stop with only the streams here. We're gonna put this to the next level, but there's still some grinding to go. There's still a lot of learning to go. Yeah, you're looking at that high. That's a good target also. That's a good target. I thought that during the London session, we're gonna tap into, by the way, that 87. But you know, if you're aiming for this swing high, this is also a good target. Or this swing high. But trust me, if you're aiming for this, so if it takes out this level, there's a high chance that we're going into that fair value gap. Depends on how much. I don't have any more open positions yet, but this was a nice trade. It almost failed us. I know it almost failed, but I played by the rules, how I explained it on the video. So Royce is here. Hey there, Royce. Welcome, welcome. Don't forget those likes, guys. And so if you follow those rules, I'm gonna make a part 2 video for that order block, I think, where I'm going to explain how to refine your entries, how to avoid maybe a possible loss, or only go for the A+ setups, or because if you take every single trade on the 3-pin order blocks, it's gonna be hard. A new sub, Brain, is here. Welcome to the stream and welcome to the channel. By the way, I'm gonna give a huge applause for the new subscribers. Thank you so much. So what I want to say, I almost forgot that. So if you take every single trade on these order blocks with the 3-pin entry, you're definitely going to have losses. But if you go with the 1-2, I mean, I'd say with the 2R strategy, you should be fine. But I'm going to do a new video how to refine, how to filter out low probability setups and how to go for the higher probability setups. I think it's gonna be quite a thing to do with the order block entries. Yeah, following the rules makes you stronger, and forget the retail logic. You have to relearn everything, you know. Focusing, absolutely. So if you have like 10 strategies, that's too much. Even 5 is too much. I myself, I have like I mean, I know the concepts. I'm not saying I know all the concepts. I mean, I know, but I could not stand here and talk about, for example, the Thank God It's Friday concept. No, I would not go into the details because I would talk stupid stuff. If I would go into the turtle soup, I know what it is, but I can't go into details because I'm not there yet. But the thing I carved out pretty much, very much, is the YouTube 2022 model. And in the past few weeks or months actually, the order blocks and the fair value gaps combined with the order blocks is a very good entry model. But whatever you do, whatever strategy you can use. It doesn't have to be smart money. It can be also supply and demand, or trend lines, or support and resistance. I'm not judging anyone who is using any kind of retail strategy. The strategy is 10%, guys, but you still have to know market structure. Whatever kind of strategy you use, you have to learn market structure. You have to know PD arrays. You have to learn the structure, and then the rest goes on. yeah, Alvin, go check it out, and please leave a like there. I apologize again that there is a part in the first part of the video where I'm talking about a specific level, and there is an order block there, but I say fair value gap, but I forgot to edit it, so it's actually an order block. And then at somewhere in the middle point, there is a bearish order block, and I'm saying bullish order block. So I did not edit it, so sorry about that. But I'm gonna do a second part of that video. You're gonna understand. It's a 30-minute video, so pause it sometimes, you know, rewind it, check it out. 30-minute, give a like. The silver bullet hour is over. Good time to exit any longs. Yes, the silver bullet time is over, and most likely, depending on which firm are you trading with, I think trading hours are gonna be off soon. Well, I think there's maybe 2 more hours yet, or 1 more hour. I don't even know. I don't even know exactly. If we see something significant, we might jump in, but I don't really want to mess up my account after this nice trade here. And you know, despite the fact that we have a holiday in the US, this order block turned out really nice, very, very nice here. So, by the way, check out my links again if you want to grab the discount with My Funded Futures or Apex. If you're rich, please donate. And most likely, if you want to join to a good community, join my Discord. There's a link below. It's on my blog, tomsabo.biz or pip.ninja, although it's an HTTP link, so your browser might not put it there, but there are 2 separate links. One of those links should be working out. So it's $10 per month, and I provide what I can. Do they I think they're gonna close like let me check. I got an email 12 p.m. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, the markets are closing in 2 hours. So in 2 hours, the markets are closed. Yeah, in 2 hours maximum. I'm not willing to sit this one out right to the end because, you know, there's just no use to it. This trade turned out pretty nicely. This was like a textbook trade here. So I'm very happy that I was able to show it to you guys. So thanks again. So yeah, this was really nice. I love this trade. Oh man, I was talking too much and I have nothing to drink. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I think, you know, the session is pretty much done. I like to be here with you guys because it's an awesome experience having you guys here and talk about stuff, but I think the AM session is almost like done. The only thing that we can hope for is NQ to go into the 86s, but to the downside, I don't think that we're gonna have enough time for a major move. I don't know. It depends. And right now it's 11, 12, so yeah, this is the end here. Let me put a marker here. That's it. So that's how long the markets are gonna be open. And I'm not sure if we see anything else from now on at this point. All right, guys, what do you guys think? What should we do? I don't think I'm gonna take a trade. We did very good in this session. I think it was an excellent session. I'm so happy that everyone was here. I'm gonna stream tomorrow in London session and New York as well, so make sure to subscribe and check out the stream. We're gonna have some awesome talks and trades. Even if we lose, we're still winning, you know, until you're following your plan. Even the losses are winners. You know, it's very important. If you execute by your plan, you're still winning. Even if you lose that particular trade, then you're still winning. So thank you guys. I think I'm gonna cut it here. I don't want to sit here just watching it, you know, go sideways. I am very, very grateful for you guys being here. It was an awesome experience. Nice trades there. We had a nice London session. Join me tomorrow as well. And I love everyone. Thank you for the encouragement, the likes, and the subscriptions. And see you guys tomorrow in London and in New York too. So thank you, Zoltan. Thank you, Hello Teacher FX, Dominic, Alvin, and everybody else. Lina, Zoltan, I told you, and everyone. Oh my god, so many names. Thank you for the new subs. Have a great evening or morning or night, whatever. And tomorrow we'll be coming back. So it was nice to see you. Have an awesome day. Cheers, everyone. Oh yeah, Dominic too. Dominic is important. Dominic, yeah, we love Dominic. And we love Alvin too. We love you, Alvin.